Want to do a Snapchat Ask Me Anything? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily add Ask Me Anything. First thing first, move into your application Snapchat. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you are logged in, now you can try clicking the photo or the video. Once clicked, click on the sticker icon at the very top of the screen. You will see the option where it says question. Click on it. Right here it automatically says Ask Me Anything. Now you can drag this icon and place it anywhere on the screen. You can zoom in or zoom out as well. And once you're ready to send, click on Send To at the bottom of the screen. Send it to any of the person you want to. After that, they will be able to reply you and Ask Me Anything. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.